Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to update about I about these shoes guys. So bumili kami kanina ni Mama ng bago kong shoes. Ito siya. World Balance. Actually, it's been very my first time to buy myself shoes na original. So, let's take a look. Bali, nabili ko lang din to siya sa Robinsons. So, ipapakita ko siya guys sa inyo. Yan, gagawa tayo ng unboxing. And just a little update, about my day off today. So, ayan. I-adjust ko lang muna guys yung aking cellphone or camera. So, ito siya guys. Ito yung pambalot niya. Ayan. So, pag open mo, ayun. This cost, guess how much is this? This is just 3,199. And I like this, gusto ko din siya kasi black. And ayun. So, ito lang, ganito lang. Yeah, so isusuot ko to siya for everyday use. Ayun sa aking trabaho. And ito yung pair niya. So, ito yung mukha. Lightweight din siya. Hindi siya mabigat. It's perfect for everyday duty according to the girl na nag-sales sa akin kanina. Meron din siya na ganito the same but different color. So, ayun naman. And for the update nga pala, today will be the last night here with Mom. So, last day na namin. Last night na namin dito. And, ayun. So, tomorrow mag-check out na. Ay, hindi na din babalik dito. Babalik na ako na reality, doon sa staff house namin. So, ayun na nga. Babalik ko lang din po siya kasi bukas nalalid ko dito sa staff house. Kung saan ako uuwi. So, ayun. I said na. Ayun na, tumakon. Si Alin na? Hindi na nakita mamakal. Okay, so alas kami guys mamaya. Kape pala, nag-beach kami ngayon since last day na din. And naglibot kami, we did walking until Grotto. Tapos lumabas din kami, pumunta kami ni Robinsons just to buy the shoes. And umuwi, nag-lunch muna in the Dogs. Very late lunch na din kasi nakaramdam ako ng gutom mga nasa 3 p.m. na. And currently, Mom just arrived from, bumili siya na sanang tinapay for tomorrow or for later, our snacks tonight and tomorrow morning. Kasi bago mag-check out, makakain muna kami magkakape and then that's all. Yan, alas na kami dito sa munting kwarto na ito. Ayan, wala na kaming aircon the next few days, the next days. Tapos ito na lang din yung mga gamit ko. So sobrang konti na lang. Bukas ayusin ko to or later, tonight before going to bed. So, ayan. And also this one naman na kasi sabi ko nga ibibigay ko din to siya sa coworkers ko kasi napag-ano ko na nasabi ko na. So, ayaw ko nang bawiin. And then, ayun, shoes ko na din. Original shoes ko din, from lang din bigay, presents only. So, ayun lamang for the update, guys. And we're just going to continue our watching movies. And for the update na nga pala, for my appointment, ay nakakuha na ako ng appointment for the apostille. And it's going to be on February 27, 2026. So, ayun yung magiging appointment date ko. And probably I'm going to ask for day off again. Probably 2 days kasi medyo nakakapagod siya. 6 hours travel from here going to Iloilo City. And if uuwi din ako, it's going to be 6 hours then plus, on the other way pala, it's going to be like the total maybe 8 hours and it's going to be very more tiring than the 6 hours. So, I decided to go on the other way maybe. So, let's see. I'm going to update you guys of everything. Pero, Mom is not ready to go home tomorrow. Yeah, she already packed all the things that she need tomorrow. And then, that's it. So, kamusta man yung bakasyon?
Mabuti, mayroon man.
Okay, yes, perfect. So she was here for almost 8 days, and and yung ginawa niya lang is ayun naman siya, nag-walk, all the time, even I'm at work. She going to the beach, maybe 2 to 3 times, and then going back here, eating. I left. On our first day, ayun, nakapagluto pa kami first day ng manok, ayun. And then, most of the time na lang egg. Tapos, umuwi na lang din ako ng pagkain, bumibili, and then undogs, chicken, something like that. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.